Good morning, my name's Andy Hill from C2G, part of the AV brands from Legrand. Today we are introducing a new product that was an exclusive to ISE, and that is an HDMI over IP decoder. The great thing about this product is this is a 4K device over 60 Hz. It's an IP addressable product that is accessible from a web browser or an app across a LAN, and it also gives full control over a number of devices. Inputs and outputs include HDMI out, VGA, and also a network link for an RJ45 connection. It's also got 3.5mm audio out as well. The environment it allows in is HDMI 2.0. Covers devices such as Blu-ray players, media streamers, games consoles, PCs, and laptops. Also supports HDCP 2.0. The other great thing about it is the technology can be rack mounted. There are blanking plates available for it, and it can fit into a standard rack, and also has got bracketry as well to be able to fix it in place for security. Amongst some other products that we've got here as well is that we have a premium high-speed Ethernet switch that also allows multiple connectivities in, which auto switches, and obviously a standard range of connectivity devices for laptops, including USB Type-C to VGA, to HDMI, and also USB-C pass-through. We also have got our high-range premium high-speed HDMI cable that supports up to 8K and is excellent value and performance. Finally, we've also got our USB-C junction box, which effectively gives a USB Type-C into a portable device that allows laptops to be connected to other ports such as HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and HDMI. It also has a USB-A port as well, and is capable of charging devices as a pass-through, such as an Android or Apple device. If you'd like to come over and to the stand, we'd be happy to talk to you. If you can't make it, please visit our website, which is www.c2g.com, and click on the chat link, and one of our representatives will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.